Hey guys, so today we are going to be opening this brand new, I guess it just came out according to my husband, Spider-Man trading cards.
Into the Spider-Verse, right? From like the movie.
Oh, I'm not a big Spider-Man fan, so I don't know. But anyways, upper deck, and you're looking for these. What are they? Autographs, I guess that's...
Manufacture patches.
Yeah.
Colliding, whatever.
Honestly, I'm not excited to open this. And also, this was $229, which I think is very expensive.
7 cards and
per pack, 15 packs. Yeah, $229. It's like, no thank you. You should have bought me a hobby basketball one for that price. Like, I'm just not excited. I'm a little bit bitter right now. When he told me he got this and that I was opening it. So I'm just going to say something. The cards better be nice. And it says 14 plus, but really, you're going to buy your 14-year-old a $229 card, like, box? No.
There's tape right there.
Oh. Yeah, I'm just bitter about this box right now.
Hey, well, we got it from Dave and Buster. Dave and Adams.
Dave and Buster. Dave and Adams?
Yeah.
Okay, we got it from Dave and Adams.
And you got those Lion Kings.
Yeah. Dave and Adams always like gives you like little freebies. They gave us this. See, like, I think this is cute, but I don't know. I guess my favorite so far are the basketball unboxings.
But remember our Spider-Man medal that we did?
I don't know. I need to see. Like, for $229, like, I better get an auto, like a good auto. Let's see. What is this? The odds?
Yeah.
So if you guys want to pause and read that, you can go ahead and do that. My husband could read it on the side and tell us a little bit more. So do they guarantee like how many base and how many like inserts? Do you know? Or
it says the assortment of base sets and parallels. Base set and parallels. So there's a red Peter Parker.
I'm just gonna say,
Spider-Man,
for the sake of my husband's well-being, there better be a card that will pay for this box. in this box, because I don't know, and I don't even know enough of this.
You don't remember the movie?
No, I remember the movie. Like, is it the cartoon movie?
Yeah.
Oh no, even worse. I didn't see the cartoon movie, guys. I like the real movie. I don't like the cartoon movie. So I'm assuming all of these are base, and I'm assuming this is the insert, but that's just me assuming because, again, I don't know. I have no idea what I'm looking at. Yes, I do know who Spider-Man is. And this is a sticker, I guess, because it says peel here.
Oh, nice.
Nice? Okay, nice. And then, yeah, I don't know. I don't know if there's anything special about any of these cards.
Yeah, we're looking for Hello, My Name Is, My Stories,
Okay, well, this is Hello, My Name
The
Is.
Vault.
And I'm assuming these are all
just base.
Unless they have like a special number in the back. I don't know.
Yeah, we can get numbered cards as well. The Vault patches, we can get Letterman patches, we can get characters, and mask. The Vault Ultimate Gold patches.
This is a different one too. I don't know if this is an insert. I have no idea.
Yeah, it is.
Anyways, if any of you know anything about this, or
proprietary parallels,
something like positive that could make me be like, oh, okay, this box is worth it, please comment, because
this is awesome.
I mean, this one's backwards. I don't know if it's special. Yeah, I don't know. This one's shiny.
Yeah, that's like a refractor.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I mean, this is a sticker, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, amazing stickers are 1 in 5. Everything's relative is like a 1 in 7. Yeah, the proprietary parallels are 1 in 10. Doesn't seem like it. Have we got one in every box?
I don't know. And then this is red around instead of blue. I have no idea.
Oh, it's black and white. Spider senses. Listen, guys, I'm just trying to get her to broaden her horizons outside of just.
Well, for $229, like, I'm not gonna say. I'm not saying anything.
We still have a lot more packs to go. Oh, sick. Like, do you like the way they feel? I like the way they look. They look good.
I mean,
first double, or is that like the second? So far, you're not a fan?
no, I'm not a fan. I don't like them. I mean, the Mandalorian ones were $100 and they guarantee an auto. And the Mandalorian Star Wars ones have a better feel to them. They feel like a little more pricey. There's like chrome, like.
This is the first release, so like.
Yeah, these feel like they should be for kids, like a price for kids. Like, come on, seriously. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
It's a base. It's a base.
What?
Or what are you talking about?
Hello, my name is Miles. Sticker. that's different.
Well, no, we've gotten red ones.
No, isn't the card different?
Oh, I don't know.
Like, almost like it. Is it reflective? No.
No. No, it's not different. I don't know. Is there any Spider-Man? I mean, yeah, there is Spider-Man fans, I'm pretty sure. And can you please tell me what you guys think about this $229 box? Can somebody tell me anything? Whether it's positive or negative. All I'm thinking about is what I could have bought me with $200. I mean, if this is $229, I'm assuming it's a hobby box.
Yes,
right?
it's a hobby box. Yeah.
So we should get a numbered card or an auto at least for this box.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So maybe you should go through the cards and look at them. Okay, there was only 2 cards in this pack. So this is a patch. Just if you guys can't tell.
The vault.
That's a patch, and there was 2 cards in that pack, and this was one of them. This was one of the cards, and this was one of the cards. This one's... So this is Spider-Gwen, and it's not numbered. It says you have received a trading card with a manufacturer Spider-Man into the Spider-Verse patch. Enjoy your memorabilia card.
Yeah, that's the vault patch. Is it not numbered?
Nope. I don't see it numbered. No, it's not numbered. That's weird because even that pack says 7 cards per pack. Like all of the
Well, it says that odds data reflect the average of the entire product run. No ratios are guaranteed to exist within actual pack or box or case. Packs containing manufactured pack cards. Patch cards may contain less than the render stated.
Oh, okay. Maybe you should go through the inserts and see if there's any numbered ones.
Okay.
Cause here, let me give them to you if you want. In case there is, you can show it.
I don't know if you get the whole entire base set though.
Here. Wait, go through them. I have 3 more packs, guys, to go.
Everybody knows I'm out of time.
Trust me, I think they can tell. If they watch my other videos, they can tell. Like, oh, she seems not very excited.
Yeah, I'm trying to get her to open other things than the same thing all the time.
Well, yeah, but I could open other things that are less than $200.
Not hobby if you want to get numbered or...
Well, then I better see a numbered in here. Because I do like numbered cards.
Sorry about the sound, guys. We have our daughter in here. She's watching her show. Shout out to Miss Rachel.
I know. That keeps them very entertained, and it's a learning one. Okay, last pack, and I still haven't seen a numbered card. Just so everyone knows. That patch better be worth some money.
Yeah, all these are worth at least $1. Sounds like this is the first and last time for this guy.
Yes, you are not allowed to buy this box anymore.
If anybody wants to get us another one, please let me know.
No. This is like a 3D one, I guess.
Oh, that's cool. That's Dimensions Collide. Yeah, that's like 1 in 6.
It's not numbered, guys.
No.
It's not numbered. Oh, look, Scorpion. Like you. Yeah.
Colored Collide is a 1 in 6.
Okay, well.
1 in 60, I'm sorry.
I was gonna say 1 in 6. Well, that was it. That was our
That was a big hit right there. Who is it?
Well, it says Scorpion in the back.
Oh, it's Scorpion? Okay.
So,
not who we wanted, but at least the vault, we got Spider-Gwen. That's
so we didn't get not one numbered card in a hobby box that cost $229. Not one auto. And stuff that I don't even know if it's worth anything.
Spider-Man sells pretty good, babe. Spider-Man sells pretty good. He actually is... Oh, we usually sell out of all of our Spider-Man metal.
Okay, guys. So, this is it. Because this was a 17-minute video.
So...
I feel it's not worth it. I would not buy this in the first place, so I wouldn't buy another one.
So, unless you're a fan of Spider-Man...
Yeah.
Multiverse, or if you guys are going to keep it and hold it, I guess that would be the only thing that I could suggest that you do, or she would suggest that you do, right?
Yeah, you're not allowed to buy another one. I'm saying this on video. Everybody heard that. I better not open another box.
Okay.
Alrighty. See you on our next video. Like and follow.
Open
or
up the Lion
subscribe.
Kings real quick.
Seriously? Alright, well this is what we got free with this wonderful purchase. So we're gonna even make it longer. This little pack says, look for majestic motion lenticular cards. Okay, guys, I know this is hard. All right, this was our little free. I'm assuming these are all like the base. I think they're all base. I don't think there's one insert in here. They're all base. All right.
Mufasa.
Well, this is a different one, so I'm assuming this is the insert.
Yep, LP. Lion Pride.
All right.
She's not happy yet.
No, subscribe and follow.